Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Aam Aadmi Party has started with free consultation doctor helpline, and the number for the helpline is 7504 750475. These doctors will be giving free consultation to the patients who are tested COVID positive and are on home isolation, or any patient who seems to be getting symptoms. कोणा कोई डाउट आसा ओ कोणी कोविड पेशंट जो आयसोलेशनात घरा कडेन आसा तेंकां हे डॉक्टर हेल्पलायन जे आसा हे तुमकां फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 9 o'clock फ्रॉम morning 9 AM till evening 6 PM they will be available to give you all free consultation, even about the diet, what to consume, and it may be even temperature checking, oxygen कितला आसपाक जाय, or खंयचे medicine घेवपाक जाय, कितें related to COVID positive who is in isolation. The Aam Aadmi has come with this free consultation.